Greetings. I am going to show you how to prepare the best tasting tuna sandwiches ever in your entire life. You'll need black pepper, garlic powder, salt, mayonnaise, pickles, well, just like one pickle. I use about 3 cans of tuna in water, celery, onions, and hard-boiled eggs. Of course, if you don't have one of these ingredients, that's fine, but to the maximus gluteus level of optimisms of tuna sandwiches, this would be the ingredient list. Okay, so I went ahead and chopped up everything very finely. I used about 5 4-inch celery stalks, about a quarter onion, about 3/4 of a pickle, and I chopped it very finely. I chopped up my hard-boiled egg very finely. I used 3 hard-boiled eggs, and I drained the water completely out of the cans of tuna. Okay, so now I'm gonna mix everything together. I'm gonna put in the can of tunas. There's one. I'm gonna put in the eggs. And then both cans of tunas. And this feeds about 6 people with, you might even have leftovers. It tastes better when it's chilled in the fridge for a while, actually. You can have some for the next day, and it's yummy in your tummy. And now I'm gonna add about, I just wing it like I say, 1, 2, for now I'll put about 3 huge heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise. And actually I'll probably need 4 for this amount. 4 things of mayonnaise. And I'm gonna go ahead and season it now with pepper, salt, and this is of course to your taste. You can put more or less. That's why I don't really measure. And then a little bit of garlic powder, a couple dashes. Okay, so everything's in here, and we just mix it up really good and keep mixing till it's thoroughly mixed. If you want to add more pepper or salt, you can taste it afterwards and see how it tastes. So it starts to look like that. Okay, so this is basically it finished. And we made some toast to go with it. So I'm going to go ahead and serve some. Remember, this is always really good when you put it in the fridge and you let it chill and it's nice and cool. Put it up there. Okay, Audrey, get your bread. Take a bite. Wait. You can put fresh tomatoes, lettuce, eat it with some chips.
Mmm. Delicious. Man, she really outdid herself.
Oh my God, no, we're gonna cut that out. Okay, stop.